Good evening.
Sir.
So we wrote in the last class we wrote Ex as equal to E naught sine omega t minus kx, then Bx as B naught sine omega t minus this kz, this kz. So in these two equations, this equation can be written as Ex is equal to E naught sine 2 pi ft minus kz Px is equal to here. This is the frequency of the f is the frequency of the electromagnetic wave. F is the frequency of electromagnetic wave. So how are electromagnetic waves produced?
Accelerated charge.
Yeah, electromagnetic waves are produced by accelerated charges. So or by oscillating, accelerating charges and oscillating charges are same. So this frequency f, so the electromagnetic wave frequency is equal to the frequency of the oscillating charge.
Sir, last page காட்டுங்க sir.
Or
Yes sir.
so the frequency of the electromagnetic wave is equal to the frequency of the oscillating charge. So suppose f can have any number of values. F can have any number of values. That is, f can start from 0 and it go up to infinity. So when the frequency of the oscillating charge or accelerating charge varies from 0 to infinity, okay, we get electromagnetic waves. We get electromagnetic waves whose frequency varies, f varies from 0 to infinity, whose frequency varies from 0 to infinity. So that means we have so many electromagnetic waves with different frequencies. So all these electromagnetic waves combined is called as electromagnetic spectrum. So
Last
and
page.
Sir, last page காட்டுங்க sir. Finish sir.
So see, if we oscillate electrons from, if we oscillate the charge, if the so if we vary the frequency of the oscillations of the charge from 0 to infinity, we get electromagnetic waves whose frequencies, okay, with different frequencies, they vary from 0 to infinity. All these electromagnetic waves combined are called as electromagnetic spectrum. So that means there are so many electromagnetic waves which we don't know, okay, till date. But we know few, we are familiar with, few electromagnetic waves having a wavelength as small as 30 ferrometer, 30 into 10 power minus 15 meter. So this is wavelength. If velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, what is frequency of this light electromagnetic wave? Anyone? See here, anyone? So here we have to use the formula. Velocity of electromagnetic wave is equal to frequency into wavelength. Velocity of wave is frequency into wavelength. Then frequency is equal to c by lambda 3 into 10 power 8 by lambda 30 into power minus 15, 3 into 10 power 8 plus 15 by 30, we get 1 by 10 into 10 power 23, we get 10 power 22. So 10 power 22 is frequency of the electromagnetic wave. So we know an electromagnetic wave which has 10 power 22 hertz frequency. So we don't know the electromagnetic waves whose frequency is more than 10 power 22 hertz. Next. And we know electromagnetic waves whose frequency is up to 30 kilometers. Can anyone find frequency of this electromagnetic wave? velocity of electromagnetic waves 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Find the frequency.
One into 10 power 7.
Nice. Anyone? First answer is 1 into 10 power 7 hertz. Anyone?
Same answer, sir.
10 to the power 6.
Okay, 10 to the power 6. Anyone?
One into 10 to the power of minus 7, sir.
Okay, 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 hertz. Anyone? Boys are not speaking.
10 power 7, sir.
Okay.
10 to the 7, sir.
Now look here. Here we have to use the same formula. C is equal to velocity of electromagnetic wave is equal to frequency into lambda. So we know that velocity of electromagnetic wave is 3 into 10 power 8. Frequency is f. Lambda is 30 into 10 power 3. So frequency is 3 into 10 power 8 by 30 into 10 power. So guys, here we have to convert kilometers into meters. 1 kilometer is how many meters?
1000, sir.
Very good.
1000 meters.
1 kilometer is 10 power 3 meters. So 3 into 10 power 3, 3 ones are 10s are 10 power 8 by 10 power 4. So frequency is 10 power 4 hertz. Here. So mistake might be you didn't convert kilometers into meters, right? If you don't convert kilometers into meters, you will get answer as 10 power 7 H. Please note it down. So don't do this mistake again. Okay. So if you have light in meter per second, you should have wavelength in meters. Then what is unit of frequency?
Hertz.
Very good. Over.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So look here, guys. So
1 second, sir.
backside.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in question, a tuning fork vibrates 256 times per second. So here, what is this 256?
Frequency.
Frequency.
Okay, everyone, this is frequency F. So if they give, instead of vibrates, if they give oscillates, what is it? Anyone?
Wavelength.
First answer, wavelength. Anyone else?
EMF.
EMF. EMF of tuning fork. Then
Charges.
what? Anyone?
Amplitude.
Amplitude. Okay. Anyone? So it is still frequency. Okay. A tuning fork oscillates with 256 times per second. It's still frequency. So vibrations, oscillations, you have to take it as frequency. Suppose. So what is unit of frequency?
Hertz.
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 Sir.
So what is hertz? Hedge. See, Hedge is name of a scientist. So he is, he did a contribution to this, for the development of science. So they gave frequency, the unit of frequency is named as Hedge. So Hedge is nothing but 1 Hedge is equal to 1 cycle per second. Clear? Or 1 Hertz is 1 revolution per second, or 1 Hertz is 1 rotation per second. Is it clear? So my point is, in question, they won't give frequency per second. Okay. So they will write like this. A ball is rotates a ball makes 256 revolutions per minute, not second, minute. So here, what is this 256 revolutions per minute?
Frequency.
Very good. Everyone?
Frequency.
Frequency, nice.
Frequency, sir.
Frequency. So you have to convert this. So while solving problem, you have to convert this frequency, which is 25 RPM into revolution per second. Is it clear? You have to convert into revolution per second. So how to convert into revolution per second? Anyone? Guys, what is 1 minute? 1 minute is how many seconds?
60 seconds. Sir.
60.
Anyone 30 seconds?
No, sir.
60 seconds, sir.
Okay, fine. So 1 minute is how much?
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Very good. So in place of 1 revolution, you have 1 revolution per minute, right? You have to write 1 minute as how many seconds?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. So 1 revolution per minute is 1 revolution per second.
Second.
So 256 revolution per minute means
256 by 60. 256 by 60.
revolution per second. So if they give question in revolution per minute, you have to convert it into
Revolution per second.
second. Okay, so you have to do it like this. Then you have to solve the remaining problem. Okay, please note it down.
1 minute, sir. That's it.
4.26,
Very good.
4.27, sir.
Okay, 4.26, 4.27. Anyone? Anyone got 4.28?
4.26 both, sir.
4.26